welcome to the break. 2 blasters and 2 megas. Sorry, blaster number 1. Thank you all for coming and buying teams and support the stream. Let's pull you guys some nice cards, and then we got some giveies after too. So let's start with this box. Best of luck to everybody.
Cue tracks.
Pull that 1 of 1 dart and 1 of 1s of everybody. I don't even think that guy's here. I don't even think the guy who owns the Giants is even here. Well, we gave him lots of warning. I think you guys gave him quite a bit of warning. 7 packs. Top Chrome Blaster. Let's go. Pack number 1. Overshown base. Ooh, Devontae Adams on the refractor already. Here we go. Rookie. Eagles. Bang, Saquon Barkley power players. It's a nice little hit for the Eagles. And then boom, Luther Burden on the rookie. Why Berkeley? No, Barkley. Yeah, it's a nice little, nice mini hit there for the Eagles. If we take those, we definitely take those. I need like a little mat here so it doesn't bang it. So maybe I'll try this thing. I'll try banging it off this so it doesn't bang so loud. Next pack. Got Tank Bigsby. Let's take a peek. Oh, we got a Pulsar in there. Tank Bigsby. Avila. Brock Bowers. Not refractor. Oh, this is almost all base. Let's see, you got rookie on that? Nope. What we got? Seahawks. And I don't want to try his name. Olu, I'm just gonna call him Olu. Nothing crazy on that one. It is our where's our first Pulsar? We need a better Pulsar than that, guys. We need a better Pulsar than that. Got AJ Brown. Daniel Jones on the Ray Wave. Oh, there we go. Bang. Robert Spillane on the True Blue. Numbered to 150 already, boys. I think D-Max got the Pats. Bang. Nice little number to 150 there for D-Mac, I think. Oops, one sec. Turn my computer a bit. Nice. Starting off hot, and then we got, oh, a nice little Tet McMillan rookie. Wow. First box. I knew these boxes were going to be heat because the last ones weren't so great. And I was like, you know what? When you don't have a great break, you get a fucking insane break. Especially when they're all from the same. They're all from the same case. Boom. Robert Spillane off the bat. Out of 150. I'll put this like over here. Readjust here. Let's put these down here. This. Let's put this here. Okay, there we go. That's better. Yep, that's number D-Mac. Number to 150 for you. True Blue, Refractor, Robert Spillane, number to 150. I think that's maybe your first numbered hit with me. I don't even know. Got a nice little ray wave there too for Daniel Jones. But dang. Let me try some nice light in here. Where's my hat? 1 second. Okay. Out of a blaster too. That's only the first. Yeah, it's a beauty for you there. It's only the first blaster too. We're not even into megas yet or anything. First blaster, we got a numbered hit, number to 150. I knew it was gonna be heat, man. As soon as the last break was like no numbered hits and these are all from the same case, I was like, oh boy, the next one's gonna be nuts. Let's go. Should have brought my garbage bag in more, but oh, 1 second. I'm just gonna get a little garbage system going here. Okay, let's go. Little vignette. Freak woolen. There we go. We got that little power players action for the Bengals. Jamar Chase power players. A little nice little hit for the Bengals. We got pigskin. Not rookie. Seahawks. Jason Myers. A little mini hits there. We'll take those little Jamars though. It's a nice little hit for the Bengals. I guess we could put some color up there, I guess. Just a kicker, but the pigskin. Some little refractor in there. Base. Trent Williams on the refractor. And then RJ Harvey refract for the rookie. Pack. McDuffie. Let's take a peek. McDuffie. Prescott. McFadden on the Ray Wave for the Giants. Nice little Giants there, and Spa. We could put up the other ray waves too and stuff, and the pulsars. Just so we can see like the main hits of the box. I know they're not crazy, but just so we have some nice of the main hits up there. Oh, there we go. We got red, white, and blue in the last pack. DK, Travis Kelce. Oh, and we have a little Legends of Gridiron, Brian Dawkins, and then we got the red, white, and blue. Can we get rookie? And we can get rookie for the Bengals. Let's see here. Dang, Shamar Stewart on the red, white, and blue rookie for the Bengals. Who got Bengals? They already have a couple nice little cards in there. You got a Jamar Chase and a Shamar Stewart. Not a bad box at all. A number to 150. Alright, we take those. That's not a bad box at all. Now, if they can all be like that, I think we'll have a good break. On the next blaster box here. packs. Go in the next box. What's the 101 CMC auto? I mean, hopefully in here somewhere. Jalen Warren, Puka Nakua, Raheem Mostert on the right wave, and then Donovan Edwards, rookie. Waves are comfortable. I don't mind the Ray Waves.
Cue tracks.
Next pack, boys. Oh, yeah, a little red, white, and blue action in there. Turpin, Brees Hall, Eric Dickerson, Legends. We get rookie. No, but we got Rams, I think. Dang, Devontae Adams, red, white, and blue. That's a nice card. So she goes nice with the outfit, the uniform too. It's a nice card. Third pack. Ayuk, Brendan Ayuk, Nate Wiggins, Cameron Dicker on the refractor, and then our rookie is Savion Williams. We need some Saints, we need some Raiders. Oh, we got some Raiders. Maybe not really most right there. We need another numbered hit. Let's do a numbered hit for box. Imagine we go 4 for 4. That'd be crazy. Okay. Pulsar. Jimmy Chin. Quinn Williams. Latu. And our Pulsar. Tyreek Hill Pulsar. Dolphins coming in for early play here. Tyreek. Next pack. Cade Otton. Tyler Higbee. Mike Evans on the right wave. And our rookie Luther Bird and another Bears rookie. Nice. Future stars and big spin. Jameson Williams, Tyrone Tracy, Pat Surtain on the future stars, and we got a rookie pigskin that looks like the Jaguars. Okay, bang. Allen Jr. on the rookie pigskin refractor. There we go. Finally some Jags action. Who picked those guys up late game? Who picked the Jags up late game? We got 3 guys in here right now? Where's everybody? I'm gonna send another tag out to everybody because we only got 3 of us in here. Maybe they'll make it for the Megas. Maybe they'll make it back in for the Megas. Oops. Sorry, let me drop that card. Alright, couple refractor. No number hit, I don't think, in this one. Scantling, Flowers, Brock Purdy refractor, and then Emory Jones Jr. refractor. No numbered hit in that box, so we went 1 for 2 on the blasters. At least we got 1. I mean, one is pretty nice for the 1 out of 2 is good. If we went 0 for 2, I'd be a little pissed off about that. But we got 1. We still got 2 Megas to go through, guys. They do, man. My buddy pulled me a out of 50. Yeah, no problem. So, man, I'll tag you if you pull anything. What's your teams again? I gotta check though. I have it all here somewhere. You got Falcons, Panthers, Broncos, Raiders, Rams, Steelers, Commanders. You got a lot. Okay. Yeah. What I was saying is I bought into my buddy's break, and he pulled me an out of 50 Bo Nix out of a blaster, Gold Wave. It's like a $350 card out of a blaster. And out of 50. I was like, holy shit. So yeah, they do pull, so they can pull some crazy heat. And I've pulled a couple guys, I pulled 2 out of 50s out of them before. 2 numbered to 50. One was who was it? It was Kenneth Walker, Gold Wave out of 50, and I can't remember. It was someone on the Cardinals. There's a Cardinals out of 50 I pulled out of blasters. Wentz is here. Welcome in, Wentz. What team did you pick this time? You got the Ravens, right? What did we? I don't think we got anything crazy yet. We just finished the. Oh, there you go. You got Emory Jones Jr. refractor. You got. I think it's the only so far, but it's only the first. We just did the blasters. We're just getting to the Megas now. 7 packs of Megas, or of the first box of Megas. First pack. We already hit this too. An out of 150, Robert Spillane.
Q tracks.
True blue. Here's some real action. And we're already into some color. Xavier Worthy. Tyrone Tracy. Quinn Ewers on the rookie Pulsar. That's nice. That's nice for the Dolphins. Let's see what we got here. Looks like Panthers. Bobby Brown on the hot pink. Schmidt Turner. And then JC Horn.
Q tracks.
Definitely a lot more cards per pack in the Megas though. You're lucky to get 2 out of a blaster. Here you're getting like 4 guaranteed per Mega. And the Pulsar's nice out of a Mega. Those don't usually come that often out of Megas. Travis Hunter, late game clutch. I mean, we're still mid game right now. We're just passing the midpoint. So make it a Travis Hunter mid game. I think I've seen a Panther in the back. What do we got here? Some Fortune maybe? Jalen Waddle. Jordan Middle. Charger. Bang. Amari Hampton, rookie, Fortune 15. Not numbered, but a nice and very nice Chargers card. There we go. Little Amari and Hampton. That's a nice hit. Rico Dowell. Or Donald. What do we got here? Seahawks. Nick Emanwari. And then Trayvon Walker on the Jags. Yeah, Amari. Yeah, that's a nice hit for Amari, actually. I mean, Fortune 15 are nice, but the Fortune 15 rookies are nice. I like those. I'm pretty sure you can get numbered Fortunes as well. It's better than the base rookie variant, I'll say that. It's nice to hit the rookies that you want, at least on an insert. We'll put them up for a bit. Let's get the Marion. That's like the main chase for the Chargers, so. Oh, boys. Do you see that in there? Should I push it a bit more? Oh, Wentz, are you still in here? You came at the right time, brother. Oh, I think he left already. We got a hit. Let it cook. What should I do here? You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to pull these. I'm going to go like this. I'm going to pull these. I'm going to go like this. Okay, we'll put that at the back. Okay. Let's go. We'll let it cook at the back for a minute. Should we let the whole thing cook, or do you guys want to look at it? Should we go to the last? Should we wait till last, or just go through it? should we let it cook? Let's go last. Okay, we're gonna put it off to this, like the whole thing off to the side, and we will go. I'll leave it in the camera so you guys can see it. We will let that cook for a bit, okay? The stock is there. You guys can see it. We'll let that cook for a bit. We'll go through the other ones. We'll let that cook till the end. We'll put that on the slow cooker. Let's see what else we can pull on the slow cooker. Okay, we got some action in here. Toyo. Bucky Irving on the power players. Ooh, Justin Fields on the retro X-Fractor. Tank Bigsby on the refractor. Kyle Monaghan. He's actually pretty good too on the rookie. And then Johnson on the X-Fractor. Let's let that number card cook for a bit. What's teal? Is teal numbered? What's teal number 2? I don't tap there anymore, but hopefully it's even a lot shorter print than blue.
Q tracks.
Three more packs to go, and then we'll check out that pack we put off to the side. 249. Okay. Hopefully it's a. Hopefully we got a QB hit. Hopefully we got a nice QB in there for 240. Oops. 249. Hopefully it's a nice or chase rookie, whatever. I didn't even check if it was rookie or anything yet, so I have no idea what that is. I don't know what team or anything yet. We'll take peeks at it later. Once we get closer to it. Oh, we got our lime green. Okay. Vey. Daniel Jones. Taysom Hill. Eagles. Lane Johnson on the hot pink. Darian Porter on the rookie. Can we get rookie? Can we get rookie? Can we get rookie? Ah, no. Who do we got though? Titans? There we go. Titans hit. Bang! Jeffrey Simmons on the lime green. Man, I wish we had some. I wish it was a little bit better crazy on the lime green. The lime green's like the only. I think you only get one lime green per box. Just sucks to get that it's always like a defensive tackle on the lime green. And then we get a right tackle on the hot pink. 2 tackles on the hit to the box, or on the colored hit. Let's go second last, or I guess the third last technically, but 2 packs to go plus our hit. Oh, we got a second lime green. That's rare. I mean, that's not rare, but I think you're only supposed to get 1 guaranteed per box. So 2 is nice. 2 is nice. McFadden. Legends of Gridiron. Eric Dickerson. I've hit him so many times now. Can we get rookie? Oh, come on. It's okay. We got Bengal. Can we get a Burrow? A Burrow or Jamar? Let's see. Bang. Joe Burrow on the lime green X Factor. Let's go. That's a nice one. AJ Brown refractor. Derek Harmon. And then Aaron Rodgers on the X Factor for the Steelers. It's nice little Steelers. Little Steelers pull. Poor A-Rod's getting traded all over the place, eh? Just retire already, man. Like, come on. What are you trying to prove? Is he backup at least in the Steelers? Like, who's the other quarterback? Will Howard? We pulled him numbered, unsigned. Oh, okay. Oh, nice little Joe Burrow though. Put that up there. I was just saying we need a QB on our lime green, and then we got a QB on the lime green. Okay, second last. Well, last until our numbered hit there. A little bit of action in here. Roquan Smith. Bijan. Chris Boswell on the kicker, all chrome. Tate Rattledge on the rookie refractor. Nick Scorton on the rookie, base rookie. And then Keenan Allen. Man, Chargers are actually pulling some heat today, eh? Not gonna lie, they're doing really well. Nothing like insane, but like it's very well, like the amount that they're pulling. For the price of the team, it's doing really good. Ravens aren't doing so good yet. Maybe that numbered hit and there's a Raven. Who knows? We'll see. I have no idea what it is yet. We'll have to find out though in 2 seconds. All right, here we go, guys. The moment we've been waiting for. Maybe that's super. Is that Steelers? That's super refractor. I can't remember what super refractor looks like. That's if you peek it a bit more. Here's some color scheme. That looks to me, with the size of the font there, it might be a 49ers. Any Cowboys? Yeah, there's a couple around. I'll show you after this. We got a numbered hit coming up right here, Travis. Let's go, Shakir. Zay. Hot pink. Rookie? Nope. Oh, there we go. Hollywood Brown on the hot pink. Rookie for the Saints. Devin Neal. X-Factor Jets. Will McDonald. Here we go. Rookie. Not rookie. Oh my god, you see the eyes? You see the eyes, boys? Look what we got. I think you all know who that is. Pull the bottom. Look for that little QB. Brock Purdy, number to 199. Bang. There you go. That's a nice one. For two out of 3 unnumbered hits. Take down Jason Myers. Bang. So hot pink to put up there too. There we go, boys. Yeah, fuck out of here, Myers. You're going to the pile. You were just there for something to look at, buddy. Nothing special, okay? Not anymore. And I had to take down fucking whatever his face is. I don't even want to say his name. I don't even know his name. We're putting up this Hollywood Brown hot pink too. We got a decent board today. We got 2 numbers. If that third one pulls a numbered, man, I knew that we were gonna get some numbers in this one, because whenever you have a break where you pull no numbers, especially from the same case, the next break's gonna be crazy. I tried saying that to everybody tonight. Alright, but here we are. 2 out of 3 so far. Next box, let's go 3 out of 4, I think would be nice. We got some gibbies after too, boys, so we got 1 more box. Plus we got our gibbies. I've only ever hit 1 patch out of Topps Chrome though. And you're supposed to hit a patch 1 in every 4 too. So I hit more numbers than anything. I only hit numbers, I never hit patches. Okay, here we go. Maybe we'll hit one on this one. Okay, some more sleeves. Let's go, boys. Come on. Keep the heat running. Let's keep the heat running. Okay. AJ Terrell. Jake Ferguson base. Rashard Smith on the Pulsar rookie. That's a little nice hit for the... We got another rookie here. We got Lions rookie. Oh, no way. Oh, no way. The one-day Mayo doesn't get the Lions, man. We tried telling him to trade for it. Oh, is Margulies even in here? Was it even adding him? No, that's not, why is that one working? Mark. Was it even adding him earlier? Oh, it was, okay. I don't know why he wasn't here, but man, my boy should have traded him. He was going to trade for the Lions because he always grabs Lions. And he didn't. So now here we got rookie Lions. Isaac Tesla, hot pink rookie. Oh, my boy would have loved that card. If I trade him for it. Woody Marks on the rookie. And then Darius Robinson on the rookie. Let me add my boy. See if you'll hop in quick. It's very quiet Saturday though. I knew the long weekend was gonna be quiet because I knew it felt quiet too. Usually we have like 15 people in here watching the break, even just like randoms and stuff, but it's definitely a lot quieter weekend. Everyone's out at the cottage and shit. Who else should we pull down now? Pats are fame, future stars. Sorry, buddy. I don't even know why you're up there. Okay, camera adjustment.
Q tracks.
Nice looking board, boys. 2 numbered. Let's see if we get a third on there. Or patch. Jacobs, Stroud, Trey Tucker, De'Andre Sweat, Tyler Booker, and Jordan Love. Little Love X Factor. Not much Giants yet. Who had San Fran? Packers hit? Yeah, it's a little Packers. There's a little Packers hit in there. A little Jordan Love on the X Factor. We got another one somewhere, no? This one. This is, man, you're missing it, brother. We're on the last ones here. You know the mornings go crazy. Oh, boys. Boys. Let it cook. Let it cook. We're going 3 out of 4, boys. We're going 3 out of 4. We'll just leave it like that. We'll just leave it like that. Actually, should we do the swap again? Put it at the last? We'll do that. We'll do the swap. We'll do the swap quick. Then we'll put it at the back. Oh, buddy. Oh, I kind of got a little peek. Someone's gonna be happy. Well, I mean, it's nothing crazy, but just kidding. No, it's a good card. I just know whose it is, though. No, it's nothing. It's not like insane. It's not insane. Just kidding. Maybe it is. I don't know. I actually didn't. I don't know who it is. I know what team it is. I have no idea what player it is. Just by the team, though, it could be something good. And I'm pretty sure it's one of your teams, but we'll see. We got Rashad Bateman, Sam Darnold, Alvin Kamara, Bryce Young on the refractor, Ty Felton, and Trey McBride. I've seen the team. I have no idea what player it is, actually. Not gonna lie. I did not see the player. But I did see the team. We don't have any Ravens, though. Where the fuck are the Ravens at, bro? How big's their hit list on Chrome? If they have a big hit list or something, like...
Q tracks.
Okay. Next pack. Maybe we'll get 2 numbers in this box. Or an auto, maybe, too. I don't know. Oh, we got a lot of color in this one, boys. A lot of color. Javon Diggs. We got Jamar Chase again on the power players. Wow, that's a duplicate. I never had a duplicate on power play like that before. But the Bengals. We got Detroit All Chrome, I think. Detroit Lions. Amon-Ra St. Brown on the All Chrome. X Factor too. We got a hit for the Texans on the hot pink rookie. Jaden Higgins hot pink rookie X Factor. This is a nice pack. We got a hit for San Fran again. Mikael Williams on the rookie. Well, it's not really a crazy rookie, but Eagles. On the lime green, man, what a day to not take the Eagles, bro. What a day to not take the Eagles. Bang, Cooper DeJean on the lime green. X-Fractor. Nice for the Eagles. What a day to not take the... Yeah, we take those 100%. We take Coopers. We gotta take some guys down. We'll take Quinniers. Actually, these are rookie calls. We'll just take these Ray Waves down. Ray Waves aren't insane, so they're nice, but they're not like... They're not insane hits. Man, these are some nice boxes, boys. I can't even lie. This is not a bad break at all.
Q tracks.
This is a pretty nice break so far. Mayo, check this out, bro. What a day to not take the trade on the Lions, brother. What a day to not take the Lions trade. We got... Oh, he's in here now. 1 second, where is he? I gotta pull him out for Mayo. Oh no, he's up there. He should be up there. Right here. Isaac Tesla rookie on the hot pink X-Fractor. And then we just pulled a Amon-Ra St. Brown on the Detroit All Chrome X-Fractor. We got a Brock Purdy number to 199, and we got a Robert Spillane number to 150, and we're cooking another numbered right here for the end of this box. We've seen it, we peeked, it's numbered, we're cooking it. I've seen the team, no one else seen the team. Do I know what team it is? Oh, and I've seen another line symbol at the back. Will Anderson Jr., Colton Miller, and Nico Collins on the Pulsar. Why does he look so fat in that picture? Mason Smith on the Refractor. Colston Loveland, there we go. Just a base rookie though, we take those though. And Aiden Hutchinson on the X-Fractor. Man, what a day to not take the Lions, bro. Holy shit. That's 3 so far that I remember. Probably more. I mean, you might have those cards, but that that Tesla on the hot pink. Do you have Isaac Tesla on the hot pink yet? Might propose a trade for that one. Okay, last pack, and then we gotta open up that numbered hit. Some action in there. Cameron Jordan, Legends of the Gridiron, Terrell Owens. We got a Minnesota All Chrome. Justin Jefferson on the All Chrome. Nice. Little Minnesota hit. Rookie for the New York Giants. Cam Scadaboo on the rookie refractor. Nice. Travis Hunter on the rookie. And Harrison Smith. There we go. Last pack kind of pulled clutch for those rookies. Last pack pulled clutch on the rookie hits. That was not bad. That was pretty good, boys. We got one more number to look at here. 3 out of 4 for numbers, which is way over the odds of getting numbers. It's only supposed to be 1 in 4. Technically, 1 numbered should have been our max. We got 3. Absolutely crazy. It's got to be on the rookie refractor too.
Q tracks.
Jetta's on the All Chrome. Man, what a day to what a shit day to take the Ravens though again. Oh my god. You can't get any luck. It went. Change it up to the Ravens. Get 1 card. Go with the Panthers, get 1 card. I mean, who knows? Maybe there's another hit in this pack here that I can go through still. I'll check it out right now. Okay, here it is. The moment we've been waiting for. Our third numbered hit. Looks like another teal. We got Faga. We got Buffalo Bills in the all chrome. Is that a Josh Allen? Josh Allen on the all chrome. Nice for Buffalo. Oh, here we go. We got a hot pink giant rookie. Hot pink giant rookie. Can I peek at the bottom? Oh, here we go. The Giants didn't lose yet. The Giants didn't lose yet. Yeah, well, I mean, it is a lot of fun. It is a lot of fun. I'll go with that. Maybe we'll get this. Bang! Rams gotta do on the hot pink rookie X Factor.
Q tracks.
Oh, here we go. Is that Jags? Is that Jags rookie? Oh, okay. Boom. Tootin' on the rookie. We got Pats. Bang. Hunter Henry on the X Factor. And here we go, guys. The moment we've been waiting for. Look at the color of that helmet. It's not rookie. It's not rookie, which could be a good sign. Who's got the Packers? This is numbered right here. Who's got the Packers? That guy, hometown. That's what I was saying. You're gonna like it. Hometown. Your numbered hit here, buddy. Here we go. Here we go. Let's cook it up. Oh, that's not bad. That's not bad. That's not bad. That is not bad at all. That is not bad at all. Bang. Tucker Kraft, numbered to 150. That's pretty good. That's not bad at all, actually. Yeah, it's not Jordan Love, but that's not bad at all. Tucker Kraft, that is a good player on the cheeseheads there for sure. That is not bad. Okay, Hollywood, up my way.
Q tracks.
Put you up here, Mike Evans is. That's actually not. That was a pretty good break, boys. 3 out of 4 for numbered hits. I'm sorry, not everyone can get one. Don't leave yet. We do have slabs to give away too. We do have slabs. That was solid. That was solid. That was strong. Like, I mean, even if you didn't hit on this one, like, you can't even say that. That's not a bad break. That was pretty good. 3 numbereds. 3 out of 4 for numbered boxes or numbered hits. Last time we went 0-3, so like, I mean, it's better than that. You don't want to go 0-3. That sucks. I gave away a 4 slab with that one, but I felt so bad. I was like, man, we didn't pull any numbered hits, so I gave away I went and gave away a 4 slab after. I might have something else to give away too. We'll see. We'll do for sure 3 giveies. I'm gonna find something. I don't know if I can really do that Cooper Cup, but I'm gonna find something. I'm gonna find something to give away. So we're gonna make it a nice one. We're gonna make it a nice one. There we go. The Cam Scat. Scat. Get up there, Scat. Little Josh Allen all chrome too. That was nice. Something for the Bills. It's fun though. These breaks are fun. Even if you don't hit, I mean, it's the chase it's the thrill, the chase.
Q tracks.
I mean, that Brock Purdy's got to be a decent dollar. I'm sure these other 2 aren't bad as well. Double check that. Base cards, burning hits. Okay. Alrighty. I just gotta load this up because there are a couple extra hits. So these are out from the break, boys. Nice big stack plus some numbereds. That was a good one. Let me turn this off. The light over there. Boom. Okay. Let me just load up this wheel here. I'm making sure I put all the teams on it. Okay, so we got who has extra hits here? Mark has 2, Sizzle, and Travis. Okay. Save this. So Mark, you had 2 extra, Sizzle had 1, and Travis had 1 for extra giveaway entries. All right, boys. We're down to the giveaways. Where are the stands? Let me grab a stand. Should we do, you guys want to do big first, or you guys want to work our way up? Because we got 3 slabs giveaway. The biggest is that rookie patch, that Jamar Chase rookie patch. Then we got the JD and the Najee Harris. 3 slabs. What are we doing first? Big first? Small to big, big first, work up. Okay, a couple guys say work up. I mean, a couple guys say big and a couple guys say work up. Pull it. Hey, pull it. Yeah, we'll pull it. What first? Big, small. Okay, what's going first? Big or small? Get a little vote. Little vote in there. These are them again. Oh, you can't even see them. Let me just move this wheel into a better position. There we go. Okay, looks like we're doing big first. Okay. 3 votes on big first. I don't see small catching up. We'll end that. Small had 1, big had 3. Okay. Big first. Jamar Chase. It's okay to do big first because that way all the names are on the wheel when we do the big one. There's no one missing. No one won already. There's no one missing. Everyone's on there for the big one first. You know, thank you guys for tuning in, and good luck on the Jamar Chase rookie patch. PSA 8. Here we go. Ooh, Cardinals. Who's that? Who is the Cardinals? Marcules. He's not even here. Fuck's sake. Took out the number hit. Marcules gets the first one. GG's for Marcules. We got 2 more though, guys. And I'm gonna give, I think, something else away. I just gotta find what I'm gonna do. Maybe we'll do the Cooper Cup patch. You guys want to do the Cooper Cup patch? It's like a $30 patch. I think you guys kind of earned it. You guys really pulled in big on this one. Especially you guys at the end. You know, it's a long weekend. I know it's quiet and some guys bought some extra teams. I think we'll do the Cooper Cup patch. So hang around. We'll do the, I guess the JD. I guess we'll do the Najee Harris. Just mosaic rookie and a 10 next. So we'll do the I think I'll give away the patch too. I'll give away the rookie patch, guys. It's a nice patch. It's like a $30 comp patch. Okay. So Najee Harris next. Good luck, everybody. Vikings. Who's got Vikings? D-Mac. Nice, D-Mac. Congrats, D-Mac, on that one. Thank you for buying a bunch of teams, man. I really appreciate it. D-Mac takes on the 9G. We got a JD and a patch left, guys. JD, Prismatic Rookie, and a GMA 9. Oh, that's because it removed the slice already. It removed when it hits the team, it removes it from the wheel, so that the Vikings used to be there. Watch on the next one, it'll do the same thing. Watch. So the Vikings is gone now. It used to be right in between the Titans and the Texans. So now watch on the next one. Good luck, everybody. This is for the JD. You'll see it once it hits it. It'll remove it once it shows it. Watch. It'll hit Steelers, and now Steelers is gonna leave, and it's gonna be. Oh wait, it didn't leave. But maybe. Wait, what? Oh yeah. See, it takes a second. Okay, it takes a second. It takes a second. So it stays for like 5 seconds, and then it disappears after like 5 seconds. That's why. That's why. Okay. So Steelers. Who has Steelers? Snowman. Congrats, Snowman. Thank you for buying those last minute teams there and at the end. Coming in big. Thank you to everybody, actually, man. You guys pulled in big on this one. I know it's a slow on weekend. So far, 3 different guys got 3 different slabs. We are going to do this one next, though. This is a big one. This is almost bigger than those slabs. A Cooper Cup. Rookies and Stars. Patch numbered to 49. The big Cooper Cup. That's actually big. That's actually big. Okay. One more spin for the Cooper Cup patch. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. Thank you all for playing. I'll hopefully see you guys in the next one. Bookmark my streams. The dates might change a bit, but... Oh, no way. We got Lions. Is that Marcules again? No way. Detroit Lions. Marcules again, man. Wow, he got 2. I mean, that's, I guess, what happens when you buy multiple. I mean, a couple other guys won, at least. Marcules again on this one. Okay, guys. I mean, that does it for the break. We had some nice hits, man. This was a nice break. Nice hits. We had some good givvies. I'll hopefully see you guys in the next one. Please bookmark it. We might do Sunday night. Or actually, it might be Monday because my slabs won't come in until Tuesday. So it looks like we might be doing a Tuesday break. Well, Marcules winning 2, and he's not even here.